Hello, kids. Welcome to Beanie Bears.
Let's learn. Let's learn the numbers. 1. One puppy. 1. One puppy. 2. Two candies. 2. Two candies. 3. Three ducks. 3. Three ducks. 4. Four cars. 4. Four cars. 5. Five balls. 5. Five balls. 6. Six fishes. 6. Six fishes. 7. Seven apples. 7. Seven apples. 8. Eight ice creams. 8. Eight ice creams. 9. Nine cookies. 9. Nine cookies. 10. 10 ladybugs. 10. 10 ladybugs. Thanks for watching.